What's going on, guys? Hope you're good. I thought I would try a little different video style today. So I'm basically, this is just my phone. I've just put it up. I've been filming a bunch of tutorials. I've got like my camera there, and then the laptop is transferring the files from the tutorials I have been filming, but they're going to be cool. Well, at least I think so. But it's going to take me a little while to get them up, so it might be tomorrow rather than today. So I wanted to make this so I can give you this today. It's something that I've been thinking about a lot recently, and it was heavily influenced in the time that I started breaking from 2003 moving forward. It was like the attacking style in footwork, which is obviously from like the Bronx sort of, interpretation of that style. I'm not doing any edits in this video as well. I'm just gonna boom, like behind the scenes. This is what I'm doing, my lights here and everything. I just want to give you like a quick little bit of nugget, like a little gem, okay? So it's the attacking style in footwork. It's something that I really enjoy, and I've always done, but I kind of noticed that it's a little bit lost or underutilized in today's breaking, because everything's super flow based and almost choreography based for competitions, which is not a bad thing. It's just, I'm saying that there's other things, other elements that we could incorporate into our battle rounds, for example. Now, these are not exact drills, because this is more on the feeling, but if I'm here, for example, you've got the single-legged use of music, so you can be like, things like that. You can go forward, back, up, here, and then you've got the same thing on the other side, so I'm just making up the music. I can actually play this, and I can show you what I mean. But before that, that was one leg, and that was ideas of just going up, down, diagonal, like side to side, stuff like that. And you can even, most of the time I tell you to stay here, but there's nothing wrong with going back down here, in footwork. And I know that you'll see some footwork cats do that who are really good at, mastering the footwork here. And they will come up and they will change levels. So it's a different way to change levels within your footwork at the front. And it just makes things a little bit more interesting and unpredictable in many ways. So for example, instead of, like Flea Rock did this once at UK Champs, where he did this step and he was going out like this, and the whole room erupted and blew it up. I forget the year, maybe someone else can comment down below in the comment section, but it was dope. 2009? Supreme Beings versus Top 9, I think? Not sure, but I think that was it. Anyway, so I'm not going to teach you that, because that's obviously his moves, but you do the same thing by flicking up. You can get here, that kind of thing. It's just sort of that forward back pendulum sort of motion, rather than always swinging and placing. We can use it more of a breaking the circle, sort of like attack based, more linear, if that makes sense. And there was another drill I wanted to show you. So like the shoot out, and so Russians and a CC. So instead of going like this to here, which is a little bit more slow paced, you can go, if that makes sense. Let me play some music, and I'll just freestyle to it and give you an example. But after you play with it and you make freestyles with it, you can make a little combo of it, like a little musical combo pattern, so you remember it, and also so then that way you can access it and know exactly what it's going to be for competition. Make sense? I hope so. If not, I can always elaborate with a little bit more planned video, which might be better for you guys. Anyway, hopefully YouTube won't strike me. I don't think they will. Okay, so if I'm here, I might just go. Well, I'm moving forward, but you get the idea, breaking the mat and everything. Look. Yeah. Guys, I hope that makes a lot of sense. I'm doing a hip hop crime today as well. Got Puma and Adidas on. I've got a hole in my sock from making other videos earlier today. I'm gonna run out of socks. There's nowhere to buy any at the moment because of the coronavirus thing. But anyways, I hope this has been useful for you guys. And you don't mind the slightly longer form with me rambling a little bit, out of breath and everything, and not exactly a planned tutorial, but I wanted to give you guys some value today. I wanted to give you guys some content. So Hope that makes sense. I hope it's useful and you can utilize it. If not, sorry. Yeah, like the video if you like it, subscribe if you are new, share it with a friend you think it might benefit, and yeah, stay up to date with my other social media platforms. I tend to post little secret gems on like Facebook and on Instagram and obviously on YouTube that I don't post anywhere else, and I'm going to be posting on Patreon soon, hopefully this week, but I'll let you know when that comes out, or it'll be in the link in the description down below before, depending on what time you watch this video. Obviously it won't be on the day that I upload it, but it might be a couple of days later. Anyways guys, I'm out of breath, I'm done for the day. I'm gonna do some editing later, I'm gonna have my dinner now. Much love, peace.